सुनो, एक काम करो।
Listen, do one thing. Listen, do one thing.
आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी।
You will have to listen to me. You will have to listen to me.
आप इस वक्त कहाँ पर हो?
Where are you at the moment? Where are you at the moment?
वो तो अभी घर पर नहीं है।
He is not at home right now. He is not at home right now.
ये वाला कैसा रहेगा?
How about this one? How about this one?
क्या आपको देर हो रही है?
Are you getting late? Are you getting late?
कितना टाइम लगेगा?
How long will it take? How long will it take?
वो आपके कौन लगते हैं?
Who is he to you? Who is he to you?
मुझे जरा सोचने दो।
Let me think. Let me think.
आप क्या कह रहे थे?
What were you saying? What were you saying?
तुम बहुत खूबसूरत हो।
You are gorgeous. You are gorgeous.
ये फोन कितने का है?
How much is this phone? How much is this phone?
कभी कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है।
Sometimes we have to speak a lie. Sometimes we have to speak a lie.
इसका लॉक कैसे खुलता है?
How to open its lock? How to open its lock?
तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे हैं?
How much money do you have? How much money do you have?
आप इतनी जल्दी में क्यों हो?
Why are you in so a hurry? Why are you in so a hurry?
उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है।
He is not fine. He is not fine.
क्या आपको भूख लगी है?
Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry?
तो बताओ क्या खाना चाहोगे?
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Why does it only happen to me? Why does it only happen to me?
मुझे उसको सच बताना पड़ा।
I had to tell her the truth. I had to tell her the truth.
चलो मैं आपको छोड़ देता हूँ।
Let me drop you. Let me drop you.
कौन कहता है तुम पागल हो?
Who says that you are mad? Who says that you are mad?
तुम कब आए?
When did you come? When did you come?
जरा मैं नहा लूं।
Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath.